Olá pessoal, tudo bem? Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Portugueasy. I'm Jane from Brazil and I'm here to give you some Portuguese pronunciation tips. Do you find yourself having trouble telling the difference between closed and open O vowel? If so, let me help with this. Let's use the words avô, grandfather, and avó, grandmother, as example. To pronounce closed sound O, you can compare it to the O vowel in the word holy. Your lips are very rounded. O, avô, avô. Can you do this? It's pretty simple, right? To pronounce open sound O, you have to keep your mouth just a little rounded, and now you drop your jaw. O, avó, avó. It's not avá or avó, it's avó, a very short sound. Did you get it? Okay, time to practice. Let's go through some pair of words that might sound similar. Closed sound O, olho, olho. Open sound O, óleo, óleo. Closed sound O, pôde, pôde. Open sound O, pode, pode. Closed sound O, força, força. Open sound O, forte, forte. That's super easy, right? I bet you can do this. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Portugueasy. I want to see you in the next video. Ciao!